This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738 481382. Today we have 2019 Ford Focus Trend Hatch, stock reference number 4127. This shape runs from the 10th month 2018 and is the current shape. It has a 1.5 litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an 8-speed automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.5 litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right-hand front. We have the left-hand fog light with surround. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear park sensor tied bumper bar. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. And a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory set nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.